Hi, it's Alex here at Stanley Villa Farm Fishing and Camping. We've got 24 wooden camping pods here on site. 12 of them, including this one, come with radiators. Let's show you inside. So pods come with 2 comfortable beds and mattresses. They can be rearranged, so you can fit 2 airbeds in here as well, or a double airbed. They've each got a little radiator down the side, these ones. They've all got a battery power light, so you can see what you're doing later at night. You can either bring your airbeds with you or hire them on site. Just remember to bring your own bedding. Disposable barbecues can also be purchased on site, and every pod comes with its own bricks to put them on.